Good morning, students. Students, we consume many food items in our daily life like lemon, tamarind, tomato, sugar, vinegar, salt, baking soda, etc. Do all these items have similar taste? No, all these do not have similar taste. Their tastes are different. Sugar is sweet, salt is salty, lemon is very sour, whereas baking soda is bitter to taste. Taste is an important property of the substance. Why does lemon juice taste sour and baking soda bitter? Because lemon juice is an acid and baking soda is a base. Do you know what is an acid is and what is a base is? To find out this answer, today we are going to study lesson number 12, Introduction to Acid and Base. Lemon, tamarind, vinegar or amla-like substances acquire sour taste due to presence of a typical compound in them. Such compounds imparting sour taste are called acids. Acids are soluble in water and they are corrosive in nature. It means they have the tendency of damaging the surface with which they come in contact. They can burn the skin. Exposure of eyes and skin to acids will destroy the corresponding tissues completely. That's why we must be very careful while handling the acid. Animals and plants also possess acid in them. Formic acid is found in the ant sting. Citric acid is present in the lemon, whereas oxalic acid is found in tomato. But just now we have seen that acids are corrosive in nature. Then why acids present in foodstuff do not harm us? Because these acids are weak in nature. So acids present in the foodstuff are called as natural acids or carbonic acids. Some acids are strong in nature. They are caustic or inflammatory. It means they have ability to burn or corrode the organic tissue by chemical action. For example, acids like sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, HCl, and nitric acid, that is HNO3. These all are strong acids. These are also called as mineral acids. The skin get burnt when their concentrated solutions fall on skin. Similarly, their vapors, if inhaled, can be harmful to health. Strong concentrated acid can converted into their dilute acids by slowly adding them into water. Such dilute acids are less harmful than their corresponding strong acids. Have you ever tasted solution of baking soda? It is astringent or bitter in taste. Substances having astringent means sharp or bitter taste and slippery to touch are called as bases. Lime water, baking soda and caustic soda and soap are called as bases. Chemical properties of bases are completely opposite to that of acids. They are also inflammatory to skin in their concentrated form. Therefore, we must be very careful while handling such solutions. Water is our basic need. We can't live without water. But do you know what is the taste of water? Yes, water is tasteless. It means it is neither acidic nor basic. The substances which are neither acidic nor basic are chemically inert in nature. So water is neutral in nature. But how to find whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature? Are we going to touch or taste every substance? Touching or tasting of acid or base is very harmful and hence typical indicators are used to recognize them. The substances which change their colors in presence of acid or base are called indicators. In the laboratory, litmus paper is mainly used to taste alkali or base. This paper is made by an extract of lichen plant. It is red or blue colored. Red litmus paper do not show any color change in acid, but it turns blue when we dip it in base. Blue litmus paper turns red on dipping in acid. It do not show color change on dipping in the base. Similarly, phenolphthalein Methyl orange and methyl red are used in laboratory in solution form. Methyl orange indicator becomes pink in acid and yellow in alkali. Phenolphthalein becomes pink in alkali and remain colorless in acid. This way we can find out whether the given solution is acid or base with the help of indicators. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators and it shows different colors at different pH paper. They are in liquid state and change their color in the presence of acid or base. Can we identify the solutions in the absence of all these indicators? Yes. On non-availability of laboratory indicator, domestic or natural indicators can be made by using several domestic substances. Have you ever seen yellow food stain turning red after washing with soap? This color change is a result of chemical reaction between turmeric and alkaline material of soap. Turmeric contains a chemical called curcumin which remains yellow in an acidic or neutral solution but turns red in base. When you add turmeric into basic solution, it changes to a deep red color. Here turmeric acts as an indicator. Natural indicators can also be prepared from red cabbage, radish, tomato and similarly from hibiscus and rose. You can also make natural indicator at your home. Take red petal of hibiscus flower and rub them on the white filter paper. This gives hibiscus indicator paper. Similarly, rub rose petals on the white filter paper. Cut strips of this paper. It is a rose paper indicator. Hibiscus indicator turns blue in the basic solution. It turns red in the acidic solution and its color do not change in the neutral solution. Take turmeric powder and add little water in it. Dip filter paper or ordinary paper in the turmeric water for some time. After drying, make strip of that paper. Prepare turmeric indicator paper in this way. Put some drops of soap solution and lime juice on the turmeric indicator paper and observe the color change. Base turns yellow turmeric paper into red, whereas in acid, yellow color of the turmeric paper remain unchanged. Put leaves of cabbage in small quantity of water and heat it. After heating, filter the solution. Once solution of cabbage leaves cools down, dip strips of paper in it and dry it. In this way, prepare red cabbage indicator paper. Prepare a solution by adding water in baking soda. Now add vinegar, orange juice, apple juice and lime juice in this solution. Note down the findings. You will see that on addition of fruit juice in the baking soda solution, bubbles come out or effervescence is produced. From the first activity, we come to know that yellow turmeric indicator paper turn red in the basic solution. By this simple experiment, we can identify acidic or alkaline substances.